We'll guide you through how to make a Roblox Obby. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Roblox Obbies can be super fun, so let's go and get started with creating one. So what you can do is we need to go and get Roblox Studio in order to do this. You may already have it. If you do, you can click on search at the bottom, type in Roblox Studio and go and open it up. If you don't, you can click on create at the top. You may go and see the option for get studio here, or hover over learn, click engine, go to the left and click on Roblox Studio and click on Studio Setup. Scroll down and you can click the download button and download it. Then all you need to do is go and install it. It's super simple. In this case, I already have it, so I'll go and open it up. Here we are. Now what you need to do is come to the left and click on templates. The best way I found to do this is to go and do it from a template, and we can then go and fully customize it. So what you can do is go and click on Classic Obby like so. If you haven't used Studio before, you can go and rotate by holding the right mouse button and then going and moving your cursor. And you can then go and use your mouse wheel to go and move around as well, as you can see. So what you can do is go and move these existing ones. To do that, go and select them by clicking it. And what you can do is go to the top in home and you can go and select move. And then what you can do is use the arrows to go and change the position. You can also go and change the scale and rotate them as well. To go and add more, you can go to the top and click on part, and you can go and click on block, and you can then go and add in your own blocks. What I prefer to do though is just go and duplicate the existing ones. So to go and do that, go and select one you want. Then you can right click on it and you can go and click on duplicate. It'll then be duplicated. And if I go and start moving it, as you can see, we've gone and got another one, and we can then go and change the position of it like so. Also, if you want to create more checkpoints, a great way you can do this is by clicking, holding and dragging over an existing one. Then you can right click and you can go and click on duplicate like that. Then you can go and select move at the top, and you can then go and position it and move it where you want it to be. If we go to the top, make sure toolbox is selected and it will appear over to the left. And you then got these different items we can go and add in. Let me just go make this a bit bigger. If there's something specific you want, you can search for it. If we go and click on structure, we can actually scroll down and there's an Obby section. And so we can start adding in checkpoints, just other Obby blocks, or an Obby endpoint as well. I've clicked on Obby end and I'll press OK, and here it is. And so then what I can do is go and adjust the position of this so it's next to the endpoint. And there's lots of other models you can go and add. For example, I could go and add in the Obby rainbow part as well. What I'm going to do is just go and rotate this. I'll then select move just so we can line it up with the endpoint. Also at the top, you've got some other sections. You've got model, which is useful for making edits. You've then got avatar, so you can go and adjust that there. Then you've got test, which is super useful. So you can go and test the Obby out yourself by pressing play. You can go and click on view to go and change the different things you can go and do in Studio, and you can go to your plugins as well. To go and put this onto Roblox though, what we need to do is click on file in the top left and click on save to Roblox as. You'll get this pop up and we can click on create new game in the bottom left and we can give it a name. Add in a description. You can then choose the creator, the devices and some other settings as well. Then press save in the bottom right. It may go and now reload. We then need to go and publish it. To do that, you can click on file in the top left and go and click on publish to Roblox. Now for other people to go and join it, you need to go into game settings at the top, come into permissions, and we need to go and set it to friends or public, then press save. You can return to Roblox and click on your profile in the top right. Then we can click on creations. And as you can see, here it is, GRV Obby. I'll click on it and click play. And so here we are in the Obby and we can go and play it.